Hi, I'm Jeff Ehrman, Global Sales Leader for MegAlert Inc., and I'm here today with Rick Zelm, MegAlert's founder, Chief Engineer, and Chief Evangelist. Rick is going to demonstrate the demo unit that is available to all MegAlert reps nationwide. Rick?
Thank you, Jeff. The MegAlert demo system comes in a waterproof carrying case that's also shock resistant. You set it on a table for display by opening up the top and laying it flat on the table. The first thing you want to do is plug in the unit into a wall socket so it has power. Turn on the on-off switch on the remote locking plate. Now, when I demonstrate this to a customer, what I want to do first is show them the MegAlert unit and tell them that this is what mounts inside the motor control cabinet or in the generator switchgear if it's a GenGuard unit. What goes out on the door is the panel meter that displays the megohm values in megohms and with a color-coded user-friendly dial that has a green, yellow, and red zone. What that does is allow anybody that doesn't understand insulation resistance to know when the motor is starting to have problems with its insulation condition. When it drops from the green to the yellow, they need to be concerned. When it gets into the red, it's unsafe to operate. And you'll see in a second that the MegAlert remote LED plate that's also out on the door also changes colors as the zones change on the meter. And your alarms can happen and you can signal systems in the plant to tell you that there is a condition that's changing. Now this is our new ArcSafe model, and this demo unit is equipped with the GP500MU AS motor guard system with a 2% panel meter and the new remote LED switch assembly. It has a locking on-off switch that you can show the customer how you can shut the system off, use a standard lock-on tag-out device to put inside the locking switch so that this unit cannot be operated during maintenance intervals. This is a feature that the ArcSafe unit is unique to and has been very popular with the customers. Once you show the customer how that operation works, the first thing you want to point out is the MegAlert systems only test when the motors are not running or the generator is not running, and so it's an offline test and monitoring system. And you show them how, with this simulator panel over here that simulates a motor starter cabinet controlled system, that once the motor starts, you'll have them notice on the remote plate assembly how the test LED goes out saying that the MegAlert has stopped testing. And you'll then show them as the motor stops that the MegAlert immediately comes on and starts to test and continuously tests that insulation until there's a problem. The next thing you want to demonstrate is, using the simulator panel over here, is put the MegAlert in a pre-alarm condition and let them see how the meter shows that condition in the yellow range and now lets them know that the insulation is starting to fatigue in that motor. You can show them that they're going to get an LED display out here that will start flashing. There's a set of contacts on the MegAlert that can be wired to an alarm system or a SCADA system to warn the plant that there's a situation occurring with that motor. And then show them how it'll start that motor in that condition. But if it hasn't been corrected, after a short time delay built in the unit, it'll go back into that pre-alarm condition and let them know they haven't corrected the problem. If, after you show them the pre-alarm condition, you put it in an alarm state, now you'll show them that the MegAlert has reacted to the low insulation reading and gone all the way to the red. They'll get the yellow pre-alarm again to warn them that it's gone past the green into the yellow, and now it'll go into a red alarm state where you'll get a red flashing LED. You can have an alarm signal hooked up to it to get the attention of somebody in the plant. And most importantly, you want to show them that in that condition, I cannot start the motor. My lockout contacts are wired to interrupt that start circuit. The only way I can get the motor to start is to correct the problem, go in and physically reset the motor guard reset circuit out on the remote control panel, get back up into the green area, and now I can bring that motor back online again. So what this system does is eliminate the chore of hand megging motors and generators and having to access control cabinets to do so. By being permanently installed and fully automated, this system will do all that testing and monitoring for you and warn you before a failure is going to occur so you can do a recondition instead of a rewind, saving the company a lot of money, a lot of downtime, and most importantly, keeping personnel out of harm's way and avoiding dangerous arc flash accidents or electrocutions.
Rick, thank you. For further questions, we invite you to visit our website at www.megalert.com, where you'll receive a lot more information and information as to how to contact us. Thank you.